In this video, I am going to show you how to make a deposit on Olymp Trade. 1. Click on the Payments button located in the main menu after you log into your Olymp Trade account. And from the options list, choose Deposit. Specify the amount you wish to deposit into your Olymp Trade account. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. After entering the deposit amount and selecting the payment method, click on Next to proceed. Double-check the deposit details on the next page, and if everything looks correct, click on Confirm to proceed with the deposit. Enter the necessary details for your selected payment method, such as card information or the payment account details. After entering the required information, click on Pay to initiate the deposit transaction. Once the deposit transaction is processed, you will receive a confirmation message including the success of the deposit, and you will notice that the balance of account will be changed and updated to reflect the deposited funds. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.